With DeftPDF, you can merge PDF pages from different documents and sort the arrangement. Combine multiple PDF files and reorder the pages or add a blank page to your PDF document. Let's get to it. Visit DeftPDF.com on any web browser. From the All Tools menu, click on Combine and Reorder. Upload a PDF file on your computer or online drive. Thumbnails of the pages will appear and a tools bar on top. To merge with another file, simply click on Add More Files. The newly updated file appears at the end of the document. You can reverse the order by clicking on Reorder. Sort the pages by dragging the pages to your desired location. You can do a number of other things with this tool. To delete a page, just click on the X. Click on the Add Blank Page to add a blank page. Download your new PDF file on your computer or share via email. Do more with our tools that are as easy as 1, 2, 3.